ladies and gentlemen, do you ever feel like time is slipping away from you? Like the days are turning into weeks, the weeks are turning into months, and the months are turning into years. Do you feel like you're not making the most of your time, like you're not living the life you truly desire? Well, I want you to know that you're not alone. We all feel like time is slipping away from us at some point or another. But here's the thing. Time is a gift. It's a gift that we all have, and it's up to us to make the most of it. So I want to ask you a question. What are you doing with your time? Are you using it to pursue your passions? Are you using it to make a positive impact on the world? Or are you letting it slip away? You see, time is like sand in an hourglass. Once it's gone forever. You can't get it back. But here's the good news. You have the power to make the most of your time. You have the power to choose how you spend your days, your weeks, your months, and your years. So I want to leave you with a challenge today. I want to challenge you to make the most of your time, to use it to pursue your passions, to make a positive impact on the world, and to live the life you truly desire. Don't let time slip away from you. Take control of it. Make the most of it. You got this. Time is a gift, and it's up to us to make the most of it. Don't let time slip away from you. Take control of it. Use your time to pursue your passions and make a positive impact on the world. Make the most of your time. It's a limited resource. You have the power to choose how you spend your time.